Hey everyone, I am Gianna of Nail Storming, and today I'm going to share my current nail care routine. All the products that I'm using today can be found at your local Sally Beauty. I do my nail care routine once a week, and I always do the steps in this order. Starting with the cuticle, I am using Finger Paint's Deleted Cuticle Dissolver to remove the cuticle. I first want to address that most people are misinformed when it comes to the cuticle. The tight band of skin at the base of your nail plate is often mistaken for the cuticle, but it is not. That band of skin is called the proximal nail fold. Because the proximal fold is the seal that prevents germs and bacteria from getting to the nail matrix, you never want to cut this skin. The best way to keep the nail fold soft and looking its best is to keep it hydrated. The cuticle is the thin layer of dead tissue that rides along the nail plate. The cuticle should be removed. So I paint on the dissolver, wait about 30 seconds, and gently push back the proximal fold and scrape away the cuticle. Here I'm using the Steel Chrome Cuticle Pusher by Tropical Shine. As you push back and move nail to nail, you can wipe the excess onto a paper towel as I'm doing here. And then when you're completely done pushing back the proximal fold and removing the cuticles, go ahead and wash your hands to get that remover off. Moving on, I always follow that up with cleaning under the nails. Here I am using just the other side of that Tropical Shine Cuticle Pusher tool to scrape away any dirt from under the nails. Next, I file my nails using the ASP Crystal Nail File. I personally file straight across to maintain a square shape and then check my nails from different angles to see if they're even. Before filming this video, I had not filed my nails in over a week, so you can see my nails grow in rather square, but this is not the case for everyone. Depending on the shape you want, you may also have to file the sides of your nails. This should always be done with a higher grit file, like the crystal file that I am using. On my middle nail, I file the sides since that nail in particular seems to round out a bit more for me. I prefer a crystal file. Compared to an emery board or a metal file, a crystal file does not tear the nail or leave harsh, jagged edges. I find that after filing, my tip is much smoother than with other files. Crystal nail files are also more hygienic and don't wear out nearly as quickly. Moving on to ridge filler, this will not be necessary for everyone. It's important to note that you should not buff down ridges as it will just thin the nail plate and make it weaker. Here I am using the Finger Paint's Smooth Over Ridge Filler to smooth the surface of the nail. I'll then follow that up with the Finger Paint's Base Coat. Base Coat is essential for every manicure as it will reduce staining and more importantly, it will prolong the life of your manicure. Base coats are formulated to stick to your nail plate, while nail polish is formulated to stick to base coat, not your natural nail. I get a ton of questions about how to make your nails grow faster. In reality, they're always growing. The trick is to get them to stop breaking. You'll notice that I do not use a strengthener or hardener as they are simply marketing tricks. Harder nails do not equal better or healthier nails. Strengtheners will make the nails too hard, and when you hit your nail on something, it will snap. The goal is for your nails to be a bit flexible so they'll bend and not break. This means constant rehydration. When it comes to nails, rehydration means oil, not water. The biggest enemy of your nails is water. Washing your hands, doing the dishes, long showers, etc. all strip oils from the nails and skin. No oils causes the nails to become brittle and break. Here I am hydrating with California Mango Magic Cuticle Oil, which is a jojoba blend. A jojoba-based nail oil is great for all skin since its structure is almost identical to our body oil, sebum. A pure jojoba oil actually ends up being too concentrated and greasy, so a blend is best. The last myth that I want to address is that your nails need polish breaks to breathe. Nails do not breathe. Polish actually helps prevent your nails from drying out and creates a temporary strength. It traps the oil in your nails and prevents excessive water absorption. I hope that you guys enjoyed my nail care video and learned some new things. Thank you so much for watching.